Do you think you know all the A1 vocabulary words? Are you sure? In this series, I will show you 250 essential words you need for A1 level English. Today, in episode 1, we start with the first 50 words. Let's see how many you already know. The rules are easy. I show you a word, then I show you the meaning and an example sentence. Don't worry if you do not know a word. That is why you are here. Hello. Hello means a greeting. Hello, my name is Sarah. Yes. Yes means agree. Yes, I want that. No. No means disagree. No, thank you. Name. Name means what you are called. My name is Tom. Please. Please means polite word. Please come in. Thank you. Thank you means show gratitude. Thank you for your help. Sorry. Sorry means apologize. Sorry, I'm late. House. House means a place you live. I live in a small house. Water. Water means you drink this. Can I have some water? Food. Food. You eat this. I like Italian food. Eat. Eat means to put food in your mouth. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Drink. Drink means to swallow liquid. I drink tea every morning. Happy. Happy means a good feeling. She is very happy today. Sad. Sad means not happy. He looks sad today. Friend. Friend. A person you like. He is my best friend. Family. Family means mother, father, sister, and brother. My family is big. Mother. Mother. Female parent. My mother is a teacher. Father. Father. Male parent. My father works in a bank. Brother. Brother. Male sibling. I have one brother. Sister. Sister means female sibling. My sister is younger than me. Child. Child means a young person. The child is playing outside. Man. Man means adult male. That man is my uncle. Woman, woman means adult female. The woman is reading a book. Book, book means you read this. I read a book every night. Work, work means your job. I work in an office. School, school means place to learn. I go to school every day. Learn, learn means to gain knowledge. I want to learn English. Teacher, 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 teacher means person who teaches. My teacher is very kind. Student, student means person who learns. I am a student. Day, day means 24 hours. Today is a beautiful day. Night, night means dark time of day. I sleep at night. Morning, morning means start of the day. I drink coffee every morning. Time, time means hours and minutes. What time is it? Today, today, this day. I am busy today. Tomorrow, tomorrow means the next day. See you tomorrow. Now, now means at this moment. I am eating now. Big, big means large size. This is a big house. Small, small means little size. I have a small car. Good, good means nice and positive. This is a good idea. Bad, bad means not good. The weather is bad today. Beautiful, beautiful means very nice to look at. This flower is beautiful. Weather, weather, sun, rainy. The weather is nice today. Hot, hot means high temperature. The tea is very hot. Cold, cold means low temperature. It's cold outside. Money, money means you use this to buy things. I need more money. Buy, buy means to purchase. I want to buy a phone. Sleep, sleep means To rest with closed eyes. I sleep 8 hours a night. Tired. Tired means need to rest. I am tired after work. Weekend. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. I relax on the weekend. Love. Love means strong, good feeling. I love my family. Now, I will show you these 3 words again without the meaning. Teacher, weekend, tomorrow. If you know their meaning, write me in the comment. I passed episode 1. Great job! You now know 50 out of 250 essential A1 words. Just 200 more to go. Thank you for listening to another episode of Easy English Real Word. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss episode 2, the next 50 words. See you soon. Bye for now.